So I've asked a bunch of my clients who I represent for Hurricane Ian damages if they've taken any photos or videos of the damaged property of their home. The most common answer I'm getting is, no, the insurance company took photographs and videos. Let me tell you something now. You have no idea or any control over what pictures the insurance company actually took. You don't even know if they took pictures of the damaged property. So the best practice, since we all have iPhones and Androids these days, is to take your own photos and your own videos of anything that you see or you think is damaged from the storm. That's my tip for today.